Hi everybody, here I am with my magnificent videographer, Miss Kathleen Joyce. I'm going to sing a song I wrote in Portland because my sister-in-laws asked me to sing it, and they are the whole reason I started doing this. So I was in Portland, Oregon when I wrote it, which is one of my favorite places to be. I always feel really good when I'm in Portland. And I was sitting in this little restaurant, and I flashed on a memory decades before of the first time I ever sang in front of an audience. I was 12 years old at a coffee house in Timonium, Maryland called Patches 15 Below. And I remembered, all of a sudden, just remembered that and what it felt like. I did Ella Speed and All the Pretty Little Horses. It was Hootenanny night, so anybody could get up and sing. And I felt like I got this thunderous applause when I walked off, and I remembered thinking, they're not clapping because you're good, they're clapping because you're 12, and being totally aware, you're not that good, you're 12. And so sitting there remembering that coffee house and how much I loved to get to go there and see these wonderful people, these itinerant folk singers, Bob Steddings and Bob Gibson, and oh, I loved this place, and I thought, God, what would it be like if you just got to do that, just go around and be a folk singer. And then sitting there in that restaurant, I realized, oh my God, I am one of those. It seems, how could I not have noticed, but apparently I hadn't. So, you know, I'm just so lucky. So this song is about being a folk singer. It's raining in Portland, but I'm still glad to be here. I love the Northwest, and I don't mind the gray. It seems like there's lots of old hippies like me here. Suits me just fine is what I've got to say. The world is so crazy and angry and greedy. Turn off the TV, turn from the fray. I can't explain it, I can just say that it felt great to wake up in Portland today. Life in the folk lane is hardly a highway. It's more like a bike path with holiday inns. Once I was 14 and dreaming that someday I'd travel along it and see where it ends. But 14 could never see 60 too clearly, and 60 sees 14 not fading away. I got no dreams to make up, no bones to take up. Just felt great to wake up in Portland today. April gray and white and cold that can't convince. Something changed the light I was standing in. Hotels and highways can blur in the rear view. To where you are going is where you have been. And somehow in Portland there's something to steer to, something to lift you and to usher you in. Bridges and highways, gray sky and water, touched all the bother, washed it away. And something got mended, pulled up and blended, kindly attended in Portland today. Some